Now welcome to your beautiful home. This is Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 3-bedroom townhome development for sale located here near Visayas Avenue, Quezon City. So right now, we're gonna tour you through this beautiful model unit. But before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features. Beginning with the property size, it has floor areas ranging from 245 to 270 square meters and lot areas ranging from 83 to 109 square meters. For the specific home features, each unit has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, a living area, a dining area, a kitchen area, an auxiliary kitchen space, walk-in closets, a laundry and drying area, and a maid's room. And all of this in a convenient and active community near Visayas Avenue and Mindanao Avenue. Now let's begin the tour. This development has 12 units available, with 6 units on one side and 6 units on the other side. You have a spacious 2-car garage for each unit. And let's head on in so that we can take a look at the first floor. Let's go. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Your first level has an open-planned dining and kitchen space. So you have a space here for a large 6-seater table. So you have a model unit setup here. So this is how you can potentially set up the unit. In terms of the design, you have a well-designed U-shaped countertop over here, which is excellent for having an informal dining space. That's why we have these tools over here. And you have a space here for a large refrigerator. And on this side, you have a space where you can put your range hood. From here, you also have additional storage space under the stairs here. And on this side, you have a sliding door leading to a laundry space and the maid's quarters. Let's take a quick look. On an additional note, you have quality PVC windows already with a screen so that you can close this up and still have ventilation. And from here, you have a laundry space and a bathroom, and here we have the maid's quarters area. Let's head back in. Here's a great vantage point. From your dining area, you can see that you have a staircase leading up to the second level. Let's go. Now welcome to the second level of this home, where we have the master bedroom and a spacious living den area. This area has been interior designed, but this is an excellent representation of how you can set up this living space. So you have your dining and kitchen space downstairs, and this is where you can have a recreational area for your family. You can clearly have a space here for a large widescreen TV, and you have a large window letting in a lot of natural light from here. And on this side, you have a bathroom for your guests. So you can see that it's very well designed with a very elegant tiled design and quite spacious as well. From your living space, let's now take a look at your master bedroom. Your master bedroom is spacious, it has a high ceiling, and this is approximately about 25 to 30 square meters in terms of size. You can have a space here for an additional sofa and entertainment area. And on this side, you can have space for an additional study, storage, and TV area. And with more than enough space for a large king or queen sized bed. You also have a well-positioned window, letting in a lot of light, and you already have a provision here for a window-type air conditioning unit. We can easily close this up if you want to have a split-type air conditioning unit. And from here, you have quick access to your spacious master walk-in closet and bathroom. So you already have an entire wall here with cabinetry and a separate door leading to your bathroom. Let's head on out. So here's another quick view of your master bedroom. It's really spacious. And there's so many possibilities on what you can do with it in terms of design. And now, let's head on up where we are going to see the second and third bedrooms. Welcome to the third level of this home where you have your second and third bedrooms, a storage room, and an additional service area. So let's take a quick look here. So we head on out here, and you have a nice balcony space, which also has a tiled area wherein you can have a washing machine and where you can also hang clothes if you'd like. So this is facing the back of the house, so this can clearly serve as a good auxiliary service space. Okay, so let's head on in. From this perspective, you see that the entire space upon entering the third floor is not cramped at all. It's spacious enough that you even have a foyer space where you can put 2 chairs and a small table. You can even make this additional storage. And you have a nice option here to have your own kind of light fixture to light up this area. And you have a storage space here. So every corner of this property was maximized. So you see, this can be a great linen closet or even a small wine cellar if you'd like. And from here, let's take a look at your second bedroom. Your second bedroom has its own built-in cabinetry. So you have your closet space here. And you have a space here for a study table and a large bed. You have a window letting in natural light as well. And your own bathroom. Let's head on out and let's take a look at the third bedroom. This room is clearly bigger than the last one. So this has more than enough space for a study table here and a large bed in the middle of the room. And additional storage here on this side. And this is where you can put your large widescreen TV. And once again, you have a large window on this side. And on the other side, you see that you also have a built-in closet area. And here you have your own bathroom. We hope you enjoyed this quick property tour video of this brand new 3-bedroom townhome development for sale located here near Visayas Avenue, Quezon City. If you want to know more about this property, check out the next portion for important reminders for home buyers. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. And you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Once again, my name is Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this accessible upmarket brand new townhome development for sale near Visayas Avenue in Quezon City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.